Today we'll start with the letter ba. As you may guess from the name, this is the Arabic equivalent of the letter B in English. It is also used as P when writing foreign words and names, because in Arabic natively doesn't have the P sound, so B is the closest. To associate the picture and the sound, think of it as a boat. As you see, it is very much like a boat with a dot underneath it. As well to take in consideration and know that the Arabic script is a cursive. Almost all letters will be connected to each other. On the bright side, this means that you don't have to learn the whole new way of writing the letters in order to be able to decipher handwriting. On the other hand, that means you would immediately have to learn to recognize each letter in its connected shape, as we see here from the beginning, and the shape is written in the middle, and the shape written at the end. Also, we must know that Arabic is written from the right to the left and read as well on that direction. As you see from the letter ba, how it will look at the beginning of a word, and then the form when it's written in the middle of a word, as here, that's in the middle, and the third from the right here, we see here, and that's the shape of the letter ba written at the end of the word. The most reliable way to identify the letter ba is to look for the dot. So always here, as we see, here is the dot. The dot is the best way that actually is going to help you to recognize this letter when it's written. The dot will be written underneath it. Now let's see how this letter is written with a vowel. Therefore, because we need a vowel in Arabic to read, and see how this letter is pronounced. So we have the first, in Arabic we've got three long vowels, a, which is a vertical line, and the long vowel u, which are a large inverted comma, and the long vowel e with the two dots underneath it. So we've got a, we've got u, and we have got e, which is very much like a squashed s with the two dots underneath it. Now let's see the letter ba with these long vowels, how we would write them and how we would pronounce them. So ba with a long vowel r, you would pronounce it ba, ba. And if you repeat it twice, it would become baba, baba, which means daddy. And the letter b with a long vowel u, you would pronounce it boo, boo. So as you could see, with the long vowels, it dictates how we would pronounce the letter b when it's followed with the long vowels. So if we have, and now if you write it with a long vowel e, you would read it as b, b. So I'm going to start from, let's start from the top back again. We've got ba, boo, b. In Arabic, we've got three long vowels, and they are a, u, and e. In contrast with these three long vowels, we have short vowels or diacritics, and the equivalent of the short vowel, it's very much like a diagnosed dash. So the short vowels are is a diagnosed dash, and that this line, this diagnosed dash is pronounced ah. So b, the letter b with a short vowel A, you would pronounce it ba, ba. Whereas B with the long vowel R, you would pronounce it ba, ba. It's pronounced long. And the letter B with the short vowel, with the long vowel U, you would pronounce it boo. Whereas B with a short vowel U, it's pronounced boo, boo. So as you can see, this is the short vowel, the diacritic, which we write here on the top of the letter to help us how to pronounce it. And then if we see the long vowel, the letter B, how it's pronounced with the long vowel E, you would pronounce it B, B, B. And the equivalent of the short vowel E, this one is written underneath the letter. It's, as we said, it's the dash, it's the opposite of the short vowel A. So we have the short vowel E here. The circle is not part of it. When I write it, the circle is not part of it. I am writing just to highlight where the diacritic or the short vowel will occur on a letter. Long vowel, the letter B with long vowels and short vowels. So start from the top. B with a long vowel R, you pronounce it ba, ba. And B with a long vowel U, you would pronounce it boo. And B with a long vowel E, you would pronounce it B. And with the short vowels, B with a short vowel A, here it is ba, ba. And B with a short vowel U, it is boo, boo. And B with a short vowel E, it is pronounced B, B, B. Now let's practice the letter B with some examples. So if we have the word bab, can you spot the letter B? Try again. All as what we said is you have to pay attention to the dots. The dots will be your clue on to differentiate and to recognize these letters. So as you can see, that's the letter B at the beginning, and that is the letter B at the end. So how do you read it? That's B, and we said the diagonal dash is always pronounced A. The very vertical line, this aleph, A, it's pronounced A. So you'd read it ba, and the final letter is B. So we'd read as well. We said in Arabic we read from the right to the left. So you would read bab, bab. And bab in Arabic means door. And now let's practice the letter B in another example. Can we now recognize the letter B? That's the letter B. So this is the letter B, and this is the diacritic or the short vowel A. This is the long vowel E. We pronounce it E. And this circle on the top, it's a pause. We call it in Arabic sukoon. Sukoon in Arabic means silence, means a pause. So for example, when you read B with a short vowel A, you would pronounce it ba, ba. And E consonant, you would pronounce it bai, bai, bai. And the final letter is the letter T, you'd pronounce it bait. And bait in Arabic means house. Bait, bait, bait. Now let's practice this vocabulary. So B, that's our letter B. Recognize it. That's the long vowel E. Always the two dots above is the letter T. It's like a tooth with the two dots above. And the final letter, which is this long curved letter, and it is the letter Z. And the final vertical letter, we always pronounce it so you would read it pizza, Pizza, as we said in Arabic, we don't have the letter P, so B would be the closest letter to write it.